हेलो गाइस। मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा कि अगर आपका माइक्रोफोन नहीं काम कर रहा है तो कैसे उसको करें। शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स जंप द वीडियो। First you need to go to the start and go to setting and type here micro micro microphone policy settings. Then microphone access this drive only. So click here and make sure it's on. And allow yes, and pull down check all the right. Okay, it's done. If not fix your problem, then go again to the settings, type microphone setup, then go for this policy settings, then okay, then again going and type the sound, click here. Okay, now you can see this is my voice. So just click here to trouble. And that's it. And click here to check your mic is working. Yeah, it's perfect working. Then go to setting up the microphone. Just a minute. Okay, so go from here. Sound, sound settings. Go to the drive. Check here is enable here. Check here as well. Everything is fine. Okay, that's fine. Fix your sound problem. Fix your sound problem here. And that's it. That's the easy. If you don't understand, please comment and subscribe and like. Thank you very much.